Okay, welcome back. Hannah, what happened to your connection, Hannah? What happened?
Well,
Do you
I
know,
don't
Hannah?
know.
You don't know. Okay, we are done. Let's proceed to the next. Okay, let's have section E. Let's have the reading part. Where is Fong? Where is Fong? Fong, where are you, Fong? I think Fong is playing games. What do you think, Hannah?
No, there is on TV.
Oh, watching TV. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, Hannah?
may I go to toilet?
Okay, you can go to the toilet. Who wants to go to the toilet? Let's go to the toilet. I will go to toilet too. Go to the toilet, class.
Don't need to go to the toilet. I'm done. Ooh.
Are we now complete, class? Where is Fong?
Hannah's not ready.
Where is Fong? Hello? Now let's have section E. Look at the pictures. Oh, did I? Hello? Hello? Oh, okay, I can hear you now, guys. Look at the pictures. Look at the first picture. This is Sam.
Yes.
Oh, Hannah's still in the toilet. What happened? Oh, I'm not feeling well. I have a cough. I have cough today. I have cough today, Sam.
Teacher, do you hear the big sound?
The sound? What is the sound?
The sound you got.
Oh, the coughing. Yes, I cough sound. Yes, I cough. I'm not feeling well. Sorry, guys. Sorry,
This,
class.
this sound
Yes.
is like this. It's
Mm-hmm.
very loud. So
Oh,
you must quiet.
Oh,
That is the sound of the paper.
where is the rest? Where is Hannah and Sam? I know Hannah is in the toilet.
I am here. I am
Hannah and
here.
Fong. Fong. Sorry, Fong. Hannah and
I'm
Fong.
here. Maybe. Yes.
Where is Hannah and Fong? Oh my God. Mm-hmm.
I go to the toilet. Ông tất cả bọn hai nó đi nó mất cần lâu. Đi xin lâu lắm.
Okay, let's start class. Please read aloud, Sunny. Look at the first picture.
Look at the first pages. This is Sam. Is is the moon.
Afternoon.
The man in
Armchair.
armchair is Sam.
Mhm.
Father. He named Tom.
Sam's father.
Their pictures show a source.
Cold.
Cô Tom loved his birthday
Presents.
presents.
Yes. Okay. Now, please look at the picture, class. This is Sam and his father. And the story is called Tom Loves His Birthday Presents. Yes, that is the title. Okay, next. In the first picture, oh, there is Fong. Hannah, where are you, Hannah? Okay, there is, in this picture, please read aloud some. In the first picture,
In the first picture, Tom is watching basketball on TV. He really likes basketball. His son, Sam, is opening the the front door. Um,
Uncle
Lucas
Jim,
and Uncle Jim and his family are outside. They have a birthday party for Tom.
birthday present for Tom. Okay, now tell the story. Okay, class. Let's read. Fong, please read aloud. Look at the first picture.
Look at the first picture. This is Sam. It's the afternoon. The man in the armchair is Sam's father. Named Tom. This picture shows a story. Can Tom love his birthday present?
Yes, very good, Hannah. Your turn. In the first picture,
In the picture, Tom is watching
baseball on TV.
baseball in TV. He really likes baseball. His son Sam is opening the front door.
Uncle Jim,
Uncle Jim and his family are outside. They have a birthday
present to Tom.
present for Tom.
Very good. Okay, class. Now question, Sunny, who's opening the door?
Tom.
Who is this?
It's Tom.
Sam. Sam or Tom?
Tom.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Tom.
His son. Sam is opening the front door. Okay, Sam. Next, number 2, Hannah. How many people are outside the door?
3.
It's 3.
Okay, who are the 3 people?
They are an uncle and aunt and a grandson.
Okay, very good. What's the boy holding, Fong? What's the boy holding?
Holding his present.
Yes, very good, class. Well done. Next, Sam. Sam.
Yes.
Sam. Okay,
Yes.
no, Sam. Not Sunny, okay? Okay, number 1. Where are Tom and Sam now? Where? Where we are asking place. Place. Where?
Basketball.
Oh, is this basketball class?
No.
It's baseball.
Baseball.
Okay, where are Tom and Sam now?
Now
They are in a
the
field.
field.
Yes, they are in a field. Okay, next, Sunny. What are Tom and doing?
He play.
Yes, what are they playing? What game?
Basketball.
What's this?
Basketball.
Baseball.
Ball.
Correct. Very good, Sunny.
Baseball.
Now let's have Fong. Are they happy?
Yes.
Are they happy, Fong?
Yes.
Yes, they're happy. Okay, very good, Hannah. Number 1. What's Tom's doing now?
Tommy opens the present.
What's Tom doing now, Hannah?
Tommy opens the present.
He opened the
A present.
Okay, opening, class. Opening.
opening.
Or opened the present. Next,
Open.
Sunny, what are Tom's presents?
Is the bat and the ball.
Okay, a bat and a ball. Okay, for
For his present.
for baseball. Next, Sam. Does Tom like his presents?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. Now let's have the movers tip. Okay, who wants to read this one? I'm sorry, I don't have a voice tonight.
Me.
Hannah. In speaking, part 2.
In skipping part 2, you can
Use the present tenses to tell the story.
to tell the story. So, sentences
Sentences
like the ones above are fine and thinking of story.
Thế nó bảo thế nó
Would
What
gain high marks.
would gain high marks?
Yes, very good, class.
ừ.
Okay, draw a huge table. Now, Sunny, draw a huge table.
Yes.
Draw a huge table. Next, Hannah, draw some glasses, bowls, bottles, and plates on the top of the table.
Hôm nay mới thi không biết được.
Draw some glasses, bowls, plates on top of the table. Next, Pong, write what inside. Draw a big birthday cake.
With me.
Okay, Sam, draw a birthday present on the floor.
Okay, I will draw a present on the floor.
Okay, where is your big table, Sunny? Oh my God, I have a cup. Oh my. Mm.
Đúng rồi.
Oh wow. Okay, are you done, class? Are you done,
No,
Hannah?
I'm not done.
Okay.
I'm not done ready yet. I need to draw a present on on the floor.
Đúng rồi, ban đầu là đang chuẩn bị phương án đấy. Thế nhưng mà xong rồi thì công ty đấy nó lại bán lại cho công ty.
Wow. Okay, draw a birthday cake, Pong.
I told it.
Okay, class. Well done. Very good, Hannah. Very good, Sunny, Sam, and
I
Pong.
finished.
Okay, class, we are done. We are running out of time. Let's have a game, okay? Game. Let's have a game. What game do you like?
Game.
What game do you like?
Công ty gia đình gọi là công ty gia đình.
Game. Game.
Okay, true or false?
Game.
Vậy
Games. What games?
How to play the spud game?
Nó
I don't know this, class. I'm sorry. True or false?
Trời.
Okay, we are now
Yes.
true or false.
True. True.
Okay, let's split a team. Team
True.
1 is Hannah and Sunny. Hannah and Sunny. And Sam and Pong, team 2. Okay, choose your number, Hannah and Sunny.
I want one.
Okay, because I need to choose fairly, I choose random. Okay? Team 1, what number?
One.
One.
Now
Cats don't meow to each other. True or false? True. Okay, next, Pong and Han and Sam.
Seven.
7. Okay. Some watermelons are yellow inside.
thế mà bình thường ví dụ ở
No. Phone.
No, it's
No.
true. No.
Oh.
It's true, class. It's true. Okay, next. Sunny. 16. Elephants can paint pictures with their trunks.
6.
True or false? True. Okay, Hannah and Pong and Sam.
Đi mà trời ơi, nó biết nhảy
What
à.
number?
Em muốn.
15?
Yes.
Okay. Your nose and ears grow your entire life.
Yes.
True?
Yes.
Okay, is that true?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, next. Hannah and Sunny.
40.
14. Oh, you win 25 points. Next, Fong and Sam. 8.
Đâu có
8. Okay.
ngon.
An
Ngon.
octopus had red blood. Is that true or false? Sam and Fong has red blood. True or false?
False.
False. Correct. Next, Hannah and Sunny.
Two.
2. Hippo has white milk. Hippo
Yes.
has. Yes.
Yes.
False. It's a pig. Okay, next. Next. 9. A shrimp heart, it's red. It's in its head. A shrimp heart is in head. True or false? True or false? Okay, it's true. It's true. Okay, next. Fong and Sam. Okay, Hannah and Sunny.
5.
Okay, you swap points. Next. What number, Fong?
12.
What number, Fong?
Cái gì vậy trời? Đây mình thấy cái gì? Mình thấy
Four?
gì vậy?
What number? No more fighting, Hannah and Fong. What number? Sam? Sam, what number? 12. A blue whale is the biggest animal. Yes. Okay, next. 2. 13. Frogs can freeze without dying. True or false? True. Okay, next. Sam and Fong. 11. Swap points. Next. 6. 10. Oh, you swap points again. Next.
Cái gì vậy trời?
3. Okay. Rabbit teeth never stop growing. True or false?
True.
Sam and Fong. True or false? True. Okay, next. 6. Penguins can fly. False. Okay, the last. Dolphins sleep with 2 eyes open. True. False. Okay, the winner is team 2. Now, class, let's have a reward. Reward for tonight. Okay, class, Fong, Sam, and Sunny. Active in listening, reading, active being on time, doing your task, a good student, helping others, on task, participating, persistence, and working hard. Okay, who will be the top one for tonight? Okay, wait.
Hả? Lúc nữa sẽ chơi trò này. Nào. Cái nào bất robot nè, bất robot nè. Đây mới là bất robot nè. Đâu? Bất robot đó hả? Em chơi trò xe tăng hả?
Okay, class.
Còn nhớ trò này.
Top one. Who is the top one for tonight?
Oh.
Let's give for Hannah. Top one. Hannah, where are you, Hannah? Hannah. Yes, Hannah, this is for you. Alpaca. 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 Top two. Let's give top two for Sam. Top two. Yes, top two. A toy truck. Yes. Let's give, okay, top three. Top three for Sunny. Top three for Sunny. Okay, this is for you, Sunny, a panda. Top four, Fong. Fong, top four. Where is Fong? Fong. Okay, here. Fong, top four. A cute cat. Yes. Okay, class. Now it's all. We end this class. You can sleep early now. Enjoy your weekend and see you on Monday. Don't forget your homework. Love you guys. Good night, Paul, Hannah, Sam, Sunny. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.